Good morning, what's happening everyone, what's going on? It's Hong again and we are in Bira, our second last day in the Cosmo bungalow. And we are actually heading off to for breakfast. Oh, look at the water, so calm.
So calm.
So calm. Oh, it's on. Yeah, let's keep on going. Yeah, so we are kind of unhappy since our dive master this morning kind of bailed on us because he's not feeling healthy. Sorry, kind of walking down the stairs. But yeah, we're having breakfast, so we're just gonna chill. Oh, the tide's out. Oh, look at all that seaweed over there.
Wow.
The seaweed.
The seaweed's coming out.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So we'll be chilling the rest of the day. Oh, maybe we might. Who knows? He might feel better, and then we might get a dive in later this afternoon. But we still have to meet him up because we need our
gears.
Yep. We need our gear back and our refund. But yeah, that's pretty much. That's the day. That's the day. Island day. Let's go eat. My friend. Ooh,
Yeah.
go.
A lot of people put the sand here.
I know. Hey, you!
No.
You!
Are you okay?
You feeling better? We actually made it to diving today. Originally, some complications, but we made it. Just finished our first dive. We are at Kaputan Balunkaba. We just parked here for a bit before we head out to our second dive. Again, a lot of sharks, lobster, blue lobster. A school of barracudas. That was pretty epic. There's probably like maybe 25 to 30 barracudas just swimming along at the bottom. So, I have a little headache. I think I had my mask on too hard, and it's just yeah, everything's just a little achy. I don't know. Maybe it's just too much diving. We're gonna take a photo. There's the boat, and we're just gonna go. Oh, what is this pool here?
Pool?
Look at that pool.
Oh yeah.
All right. So yeah, we're gonna be here for a while before we head off. And as you can see in the background, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that water over there. And then just spinning around. There's all sharp coral, so gotta be careful. There's the boat. The boat there. And yeah, some more. So really bright day, hot day. What'd you do, Gad? Alright, look. Alright, so those are the I forgot. But they're all dive masters. Well, they're from Spain, and they're all dive masters, instructors. So, pretty nice people. Yeah, pretty nice. All right, that's it. That's it for now. I'm gonna see what's going on with this crazy girl. The dry bag became a wet bag. See ya. Hi guys, we're back. We're stuck. We're in.
Why you put me on friend?
She is worried about her face again.
I saw the pimples, you know, it's making me ugly.
Social media. Always worry about social media. Anyways, we are in the room. We're just chilling because it's crazy, massively pouring rain. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can hear it. But we're stuck in here. We can't go eat dinner. And we just washed our gear. And now it's all wet again. Ta-da! And so we're here. This is it. This is our last night here. And I'm going to miss it. But we do have this magnificent view for the night and a brief moment tomorrow morning, maybe an hour before we head out. But yeah, till next year. Till next year.
Next year?
Next year. Dive buddy. She did not save me. She was not looking for me. Dive buddies are supposed to help each other, but this one just kept on looking at the GoPro. She's like, toot, 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 toot. I'm like,
Yeah.
where's my dive buddy?
But I'm watching you from far away.
Yeah, that's what they all say. I trust you. You saved my life a couple times. So, yep, that's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna be a chilled night, and then we have to pay our bills.
And eat the Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken 3 times now, which is, it's so good. Never had Kung Pao chicken that was so good. So, yeah. Why are you still hiding?
Yeah.
And I've been off the grid for like 3 days. I don't even know what's going on in the real world. I need internet. No, I don't need internet.
Huh?
I don't need internet yet. But anyways, this room is a little crowded. And it's small.
And our body's big.
Yeah. She means her, not me.
You're fat.
I'm skinny.
No, you're fat. You're chubby.
And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the vlog. Today's done. But I didn't get her to vlog. She's not a vlogger.
Yeah, because of him, I'm start vlogging.
So she's gonna start vlogging about diving and Indonesian food in Indonesia. So I'll have to learn how to, speak and understand Indonesian. But yes, she's gonna start her channel. She started a couple of videos today, or yesterday and today.
Oh.
So good for you. Good for you. I'm gonna miss this buddy.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna smack your back because you have a suntan burn.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Lights out again.
What happened?
No, the fan's dead. I need air. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.